How to clean a bathtub. Who wants to take a relaxing soak in a dirty bathtub? No one. Bathtubs provide an easy way to soak away stress, but grimy buildup and stains can turn your evening soak into something less than relaxing. Without regular cleaning, bacteria, dirt, hard water deposits, soap scum, and even mold or mildew can build up over time. Experts recommend deep cleaning your bathtub at least once a month. However much you dread this task, you have many options available to make the process simpler. A regular bathtub cleaning routine can turn a semi-annual 1-hour job into a quick and simple 10-minute job every month. Removing soap scum from your tub will also help your grout and glass stay cleaner for longer. To maintain your bathtub shine and ensure it's ready for you, follow our simple cleaning guide to how to clean a bathtub. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning the bathtub naturally, cleaning a bathtub with a commercial product, and cleaning the tile above the bathtub. Now let's get started. Method 1. Cleaning the bathtub naturally. Number 1. Wash away any grit and hair. Use your shower to wash away any debris in the way. If you have a removable shower head, use it to spray around the tub. Otherwise, use a cup or small bucket to pour water around. If you have a lot of hair and debris in your tub, it's best to wipe it away with a paper towel before you rinse the tub using your shower head. Otherwise, you may accidentally clog up your drain. If your drain does get clogged, you'll also need to clean it in addition to the rest of your bathtub. Number 2. Try a grapefruit and salt scrub. The acid from the grapefruit combined with the abrasiveness of the salt helps to scrub away grime. Plus, the grapefruit leaves your bathroom smelling like citrus. Cut a grapefruit in half. Cover the open half with salt. Sprinkle salt on the wet tub. Scrub the tub with the grapefruit, releasing juice as you go. You may need to switch to another half to scrub away all the grime in your bathtub. You may even need more than one grapefruit. Rinse away any salt and pulp. Number 3. Create a bathtub and sink scrub. You may already have the ingredients in your home, especially if you like organic soaps. Mix 1 cup of baking soda with half a cup of Castile soap and a few drops of peppermint or tea tree essential oil. Use the mixture on a sponge to scrub down your tub. It works especially well on soap scum. Rinse it away when your tub is clean. Number 4. Make a vinegar spray. Vinegar is slightly acidic, so it can help remove bacteria and stains. In a clean spray bottle, add 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of water. Shake vigorously. Spray it on your tub. Use a sponge to scrub it down. Rinse away the vinegar. Number 5. Use baking soda paste. This paste works well for rust stains, but you can also use it as a general cleaner. To make the paste, add water to the baking soda until it forms a paste-like substance. Then, use a sponge to apply the paste to the areas you want to clean. Scrub the paste into the surface to help remove the stains. Finally, rinse away the paste. If your bathtub is very dirty or stained, apply the paste onto the affected areas, then spritz over it with white vinegar. Allow the baking soda and vinegar to set on the stain for 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub with a sponge. Finally, rinse away the baking soda and vinegar. This should remove the stains. Number 6. Try borax and a lemon. This coupling also works well on hard stains. Dust the stain with borax. Cut a lemon in half, and rub it on the stain. Let it stand for at least 15 minutes. Wash it away. Number 7. Practice everyday cleaning. If you clean out your tub every time you shower, you won't have a buildup over time. Use the shower to sprinkle the tub with warm water, washing away any dirt. Wipe off the water with a towel or sponge. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning a bathtub with a commercial product. Number 1. Put on gloves. Some chemicals are harsh, so put on gloves to protect your skin. Number 2. Clear the tub of debris. Hair and loose dirt will get in the way of your cleaning, so use the shower to wash them down the tub. Hair and debris may clog your bathtub drain, so you may want to remove most of it from your tub using a paper towel. Then, rinse your tub with your shower stream. Number 3. Choose a sponge and brush. Don't pick a sponge that's too abrasive, such as steel wool. Stick with a scrubbing sponge. Otherwise, you may take the finish off your tub. Additionally, it's helpful to use a toothbrush or grout brush to get into the nooks and crannies, as well as around the faucets. Magic erasers or similar products can be perfect for acrylic bathtubs which scratch easily. Magic erasers are relatively inexpensive and can be bought from local hardware stores or supermarkets. All you need to do to use one is wet the eraser, scrub the tub, and rinse well afterwards. Number 4. Pick a cleaning product. You have many options available to you. Which one you choose depends on your preference. For instance, you could use Lysol bathroom cleaner, Clorox cleanup, or scrubbing bubbles. Number 5. Read the manufacturer's instructions. Each cleaner is a little bit different. For it to be the most effective, you need to follow what the instructions say. For instance, you may need to spray or scrub a solution on and leave it for a period of time. Bathroom cleaners can be quite overpowering, so make sure the room is well ventilated and, if necessary, leave the room for a time to prevent inhaling any dangerous fumes. Number 6. Apply as directed. Leave the cleaner to sit, or scrub it in as directed by the manufacturer. Don't use a metal or abrasive brush as it can damage your tub. For hard-to-reach places, try scrubbing using an old toothbrush and one of the aforementioned cleaning products. Number 7. Rinse the product away. Use warm water to clear away the chemical you used. Number 8. Use a once-a-month cleaner. Products such as Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Cleaner are meant to deep clean your shower once a month. To use, apply the product to the tub and walls. Leave it on for 3 minutes. Wash away the product. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Cleaning the tile above the bathtub. Number 1. Run the shower on hot. With the bathroom closed, run the shower on hot for a few minutes. The steam from the shower will help release dirt and grime. Number 2. Test your cleaner first. Whatever cleaner you choose to use, test it in an inconspicuous place first. You want to make sure it doesn't damage or discolor your tile. Number 3. Apply the cleaner. Scrub the tiles thoroughly or apply the cleaner as directed. Rinse the tiles off thoroughly. You don't want to mix chemicals, and rinsing the tiles will help with that. Number 4. Scrub the grout with bleach or a cleaning product. Dip an old toothbrush in bleach or cleaning product. Scrub along the grout to create whiter grout. If you don't want to use bleach, a product like Scrubbing Bubbles, Kaboom, or Lysol bathroom cleaner will work great. Alternatively, you can combine white vinegar and water to make your own cleaning solution. Small and mid-sized grout brushes are a great option for cleaning your grout. You can find different sizes of these brushes where you buy cleaning supplies. Make sure the cleaner you used previously is compatible with bleach before applying this solution. For instance, neither vinegar nor ammonia should be mixed with bleach. Number 5. Rinse off the bleach or cleaning product. Let the tiles dry. Number 6. Seal the grout. You should seal the grout twice a year. Sealing it helps protect it from the moisture in the bathroom. Use a penetrating sealer. These coat the grout but still allow moisture to escape. The grout won't crack as much with this type of sealer. Clear out everything that could block the grout. You want to have access to it to apply the sealer. Clean off the grout. If it's discolored, apply the bleach as described above. Let it dry. Ensure the room is ventilated. Open a window. Keep the bathroom door open. Run a fan. Do what you need to do to create good airflow. Apply the sealer with an applicator brush or sponge. Put some sealer on the applicator and work it into the grout. Only do a small area, so you can keep track of what you've done. In about 10 minutes, wipe off any excess. You need to remove the excess sealer from the tile and grout. The sealer should have soaked in during this time. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. After cleaning your tub or taking a bath, take a moment to rinse off and wipe down the tub walls and floor. Removing excess moisture can help prevent mildew, soap scum, and grime from building up on the surface. 2. If you're in a hurry, use a little dishwashing soap to clean soap scum buildup. 3. Keep an eye on mold and mildew growth. Use a bleach-based spray to tackle the issue before it spreads. Use vinegar for acrylic tubs instead. 4. Keep toys and other items out of your bathtub when not in use, to avoid watermark stains on your tub floor. Warnings. 1. Wear rubber gloves to protect your skin from the cleaner. If you don't have rubber gloves, sandwich baggies will do in a pinch. 2. Never mix chemicals. You can end up with bad fumes in the bathroom. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.